Today we're showing a video on how to replace a driver door glass for a 2015 Toyota Yaris, 2015 Yaris front driver door. The same instructions applies to the passenger, obviously. It will also apply to whether it's a 2-door or a 4-door Yaris. It's exactly almost the same process. So this should cover all that. All right, so first thing you want to do is just slam the door a few times. You want to get some of the glass a little bit loose. Okay. So channel cleaner, you want to get all the glass out. So you just run this through and then take it in all the way to the bottom. You want to also open up this lip and make sure that all the glass is removed. But take the channel cleaner all the way to the bottom, and then on this other side you want to take it all the way to the bottom as well. Don't forget to open it to just make sure that you get all the loose glass out. All right, so next step, there's usually a cover. This guy is missing a cover. There's usually a cover here. Use your hook tool to just pop it out, and then you want to remove this panel here. As long as you enter through here, you could just use the spatula to pop it. Don't pull up too hard because you don't want to break it. You want to use the spatula to pop it up with. All right, and then just remove this. Remove this cover. Compress this, and it should pop right out. Right there. All right, so there's 3 screws. Let's get those off. Next, I have my door panel tool. Usually there's a gap here. I usually try to enter from the bottom and then just squeeze it. Okay, and then you just lift it up. All right, next step, top is white, bottom is green. I usually try to remember that. It will come handy towards the end. So top is white, bottom is green. All right, I use this special tool. What I use this for is to get all the glass from anywhere I could see it. So you just pull it closer to the middle. It makes it easier to vacuum. You can also pull anything that's here on the corners. There's another bridge here to get anything out that's in there, and that one is good to go. So we have this attachment here. This is universal. You can use it with any vacuum, even your household vacuum. You can just attach this to the inlet. right, next step, you want to lower the window down. So just plug in your switch, remove this cover, and now you can lower it. You can lower it until you see that bolt and another one in here. So this one and that one. Right there. Okay. All right, next step. So everything is clean. We've vacuumed everything. We've cleaned the channel. You can look through here to make sure there isn't any glass inside the car. And then now you're ready to put the window in. So I bend it at an angle like that and just put it into the groove. Okay, and then line it up onto the channel. There's a channel on your left and one on your right. All right, next step, just lower it to the pivot here so you can just sit on the legs on both sides. All right, so I'll give it a quick test, see if it works. So shake any loose glass as it goes up and down. Okay, perfect. All right, next step, we're gonna put this back, make sure all the glass is clean, vacuum all the loose glasses in here, and now it's ready to go. Now you wanna match all the clips to the aligning holes. Sometimes the clips will get stuck in there. You wanna remove it, put it back in the panel before you put it back in. All right? So just a reminder again, I think actually white was top and green was bottom. Make sure it snaps in place right there. Right there, you hear the snap? That's what you want to hear. All right, I'll make sure the switch is lined up with the hole. All right, and now it's just ready to go up. All right, so it goes up and in, and then you slap in the clips. Next thing, your switch goes back in. So it seems like the base goes in first and then you lock it from the top. So once the base is in, the top locks it. Alright, so the screws go back in before we put in the switch. All right, it looks good. Everything looks fine. Perfect. So that's the finished product. So now all you gotta do is just do your cleanup. So that's the complete job on a 2015 Yaris. 2-door, 4-door, same process. Driver, passenger, same process.